We gotta look out for this kid. He just had a strike, so.
It's exciting to see the support that we have, meet some of the people that are at all our games. It's a really great event that we're putting on. It's awesome to meet all the fans.
Obviously, it's great to be a part of the organization, and I mean they come to every game and watch us play, and obviously it's great to get to know them a little bit and why they're interested in hockey, and so it's definitely a good part to be of.
Yeah. How are you at bowling? You okay?
Just watch the next shot.
Pretty good, yeah.